I think global ERP integration, first I need to just try to explain the whole situation. Um, what happened recently because of the new lease administration and accounting regulation changes, it significantly affects how companies do accounting for their leased assets. Before they were just expenses, now they actually end up showing in their balance sheet. So they need to recognize assets and liabilities against those. Now, this affects many departments or many areas in a business. So starting from accounting to IT, it's a very big change. For accounting, of course, it makes sense because it is an accounting change. But for IT, it is also an overhead because now they need to look for a software that can manage large amount of assets in a different way than before. Now, if we also put it in the perspective of today's global pandemic situation, companies are struggling with their workforce. They are also having challenges to get things done faster because we need to realize the fact that it has an impact on a personal's, it has an impact on people's personal lives too. So also one of the challenge IT has, not only find a software, but eventually whatever that software would do needs to be brought back into the financial systems. And in 90% of our customer base and large customer bases, these financial systems are the ERP systems they use. So in some cases, however, these systems are just a CRM systems, but then in many other cases, these are the financial systems used. To edit that out. So,
Glass of water.
so, so now if we bring all that perspective into the situation that is faced by the companies to follow or to adhere to these new lease standards. What we see to adhere to these new these standards, we see that ERP integration becomes a fundamental challenge because these type of projects take very long time, a lot of resources. So in this case, we believe that cloud native enterprise solution, which provides most of the integration capabilities, all of the compliance capabilities out of the box, pretty much very close to a turnkey solution with least amount of effort to go live and be able to be compliant and start generating your financial reports as per requirement of the standards. There are not only financial reports, there are a lot of other disclosure reports that needs to be done, needs to be generated. So in this perspective, if I try to summarize the answer, the ERP integration poses a huge ERP integration poses a big challenge for the organizations that require them to mobilize their IT, their finance team. But Nakisa sees a cloud native solution as the solution to this problem too. But Nakisa sees a cloud native application as a solution to that problem that provides full compliance and very fast integration with ERPs.